Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, eat. Did you eat your lunch? Did you eat your lunch? Second, white. This car is white. This car is white. 3. White. This cow is white. This cow is white. Fourth, new. I have a new bag. I have a new bag. Fifth, pen. I write with a pen. I write with a pen. Sixth, sleep. He was sleeping under the tree. He was sleeping under the tree. Seventh, door. The door is open. The door is open. Number 8, rain. It will rain today. It will rain today. Number 9, place. This place is very peaceful. This place is very peaceful. Number 10, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is a wild animal. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.